Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I just built a tool that does what Ahrefs does, what SEMrush does, what Moz does. The same tool agency charge their clients $300 a month for. Mine cost me nothing to build, run from my phone, and you're about to watch it work in real time. As you can see here, probably you'll see that's not totally, the dimension is not that good, but in actual phone, right? Once you run this on your actual phone, it does looks good. Okay, I mean the whole what you call this dimension is the exact dimension of a phone, which is 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Okay, and yeah, that's for Android, but yeah, that's also for iPhone. Okay. Now, a quick favor before we start, if you're new here, I'm building one custom tools every single week and dropping them on this channel. Hit subscribe and tap the bell icon. You miss one video, you miss a tool that could help or that could replace something you're already paying for. Subscribe now. Let's go. Okay. This is Pulse. As you can see on the app, it's just Pulse. No acronym. It doesn't any meaning of it. Okay, just pause. Okay, I built it in Python. I deployed it into the cloud, which is render, and the entire interface lives right here on my Android phone. Okay, what what does it do? It tracks where any website ranks on Google for any keywords or keywords you give it. It tracks competitor at the same time. It saves every checks so you can see how ranking shift every week, or week by week or week over week. And it pulls real Google data, not scraped, not approximated, actual top 10 search results every day or every time. If you do SEO, if you run an agency, if you sell to local businesses, if you're trying to grow your own site, this is a tool you've been paying for too much. Let me show you how, okay? First, I'm going to show you my code that I created, and all of this code are already pushed on my GitHub account. It's one repository, right? And if you want to build your own, just let me know, right? I can build this one for you. Now, I also have this what you call this little database, okay? Because I already run this multiple times. And you can see all the setup here, the readme, right? It's all in here. The render is also here, and everything is in here. Okay, my main app, which is the server, and then it's all in here, and the index.html, which is the front end, is also here. Okay, let's go back to the app, and then what we're going to do is track Amazon. But why Amazon? Okay, because everyone watching this knows Amazon competitive landscape. So when we see the ranking comes back, you can immediately tell whether data is real. Okay, you can tell it to yourself if this is real or not. Okay, I tap into the setup. As you can see, I'm already on a setup, and then I add a domain. I'm going to add Amazon.com. Okay, in the label, right? You just have to skip that out. Okay, we're just going to save, right? And it's already been saved. Now we're going to add the competitors, right? Walmart, Etsy, eBay. Okay, but yeah, for now we're going to put Etsy, eBay, and then Walmart. Okay, right? Add competitors, and then um, once we already added the competitors, we're going to save it also, and then we're going to add keywords. Okay, now we're going to tap on keywords, and then we're going to put the keywords: buy online, online shopping, free shipping, gift cards, electronic deals, home decor. What else? Kitchen appliances, women's clothing, handmade gifts, toys for kids. Add. All right, it's already been added. And for the United States, let's go back to the keywords. I mean, for the country, I'm sorry. As you can see, we able to put the country. It's by default, it's United States, but you can add United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, India, Philippines, Singapore, Brazil. I mean, if you want more, we can add more. Okay, and then once we add all of these, right? It's already here, right? We are going to click on the track. Okay, we are going to track it now, and all three. I mean, probably after a few seconds, it will going to give us more data. All right. Now I'm going to click on. So you can see I'm already run it. Okay, earlier. Going to run it now. Okay, it's running. Now watch the pulse hitting Google for each keywords one at a time. It's not faking. This is real data. Okay, anything in here are real data. Anything that's going to show on your app are real data. It's pulling the real top 10 results. It's finding where Amazon ranks, finding where eBay ranks, finding where Amazon ranks. I mean Walmart ranks, finding Etsy ranks, all for every keyword, about probably 3 seconds per keywords. So 10 keywords, you're done in 30 seconds probably. Okay, look at this. As you can see, check ranking total. I mean, you can pause, you can stop, so you can see all the data below that. Okay, for handmade gifts, Etsy is number one probably, and Amazon is way down at number 11, if I'm not mistaken. Etsy is crushing Amazon on its home SERP. For free shipping, probably Walmart is number two. Amazon is number five. Walmart winning a keyword Amazon should own. Okay, this is the conversation that most probably e-commerce what you call this businesses are needed to have. This is what agency built thousands of dollars for. Competitive gaps. As you can see here, it's already been. As you can see here, right? Electronic deals, free shipping. Number one is Amazon. Okay. Whoa, I thought Amazon is number five. Okay, gift cards. Amazon is number three, and Amazon there's none. Amazon for home decor number two. Kitchen appliances none. Online shopping number one. Toys for kids number four. Women's clothing none. You can see you can see more information when you tap on SERP. Okay, you can have more data in here for your convenience. All right, and if you're going to click on trends, right, here are the first check run. I mean run more to see the trends. Okay, so you can export the history or current, or you can export everything in here if you want to get more data. Okay, if you want to study more of this information. Okay, and then now here's the truth. Okay, Ahrefs is 200, probably $200 a month. SEMrush is probably 120. Okay, even the cheapest rank trackers want 30 a month with hard limits. I build Pulse, mine runs forever. No credit limits, no subscription, no upsell. If you want me to break down exactly how I built this, the Python database or the database and the deployment, all of it, just hit subscribe right now and turn the bell icon. because yeah, I can show you how I built this, and then probably drop the full tutorial on the next video if you want it. Just tell me in the comments what domain you track first, and then I read every single one. You see the next, I mean, you will see the all the videos that I'm going to post on here. So if you are very interested with this kind of project, let me know. Send me an email, post a comment down below because I can show you the code that I created for this. And then yeah, see you on the next one.